Alright guys, I thought I'd give you guys a free or possible investment to look at or something to, start researching. But Dollar Tree could be one. As you see, the bottom has been hit at least 3 times. As you see on 1, 2, and 4, that is the bottom or the floor support that you're seeing. And 3 would be the ceiling or the top. And as you see at 5, we might go right back down to the floor support, or we might break down. If we break below floor support, that will be called a breakdown, and that's when the stock could free fall. What we're looking at is the stock on a 1-year chart. So if you wanted to invest for 6 months or 8 months or maybe even 3 months, this is something that you will look through. This is something I would say this will be like a microscope that you would look through at it with. So as you see with 6. As you see, there's a lot of sellers, which cause it to down or slide down. As you see on Exhibit 6, check it out. It is blue for just about the entire month of September, which is letting you know there was an abundance of sellers. And then once you move over to 6, you go towards December and November. You can see the red line meaning there was way too many buyers. Since there's way too many buyers, the price is going to come right back down. And as you see, it was oversold right there towards the end of the year, and now we're moving towards that. We're going to slide up again, but it looks like this is sort of a cycle that this stock goes with. But this is just a 1-year chart. We can go back several years or things like that, but that's only if you want to invest for more than 1 year. But if you want to look just invest for 6 months or whatever, this is a perfect time or a perfect stock to look at, because the opportunity is showing itself. As you see on 7, it's showing an RSI of 33, which makes the indicator that makes me buy stocks is if the RSI is at 30 or below. So if the stock gets below 30, I will buy it because I know that the situation will be profitable for me. So this gives you a really good accurate reading on where this stock is going or where it could go. But like I said, it's very close to support or that floor level. It could break through and it could bounce back, but the floor level is $72.52, I think so. Right now it's at 74. I got somebody in my chat room who just took a position at $74. I'm gonna wait until it drops down to 70, the low 73s and mid 72s. But that's only if it drops below those levels. I have really strict principles, and I'm going to try to stick to them this year. It's very hard to stick to your principles because you can't, be a perfect trader every single time. But, you want to strive for, not losing money on trades, or, try to go on win streaks where you can, have 20 wins in a row and no losses for the month. That'll be pretty good. But stick to the discipline. If you guys are not disciplined, start making goals. And what I mean by goals, so you want to make $20 today, you want to make $50 today, you want to make $200 today. Make sure that is a goal, and make sure you don't force any trades. So if I were to buy the stock at $73 and be like, okay, I know it's going to go down, it's getting really close, that would be a forced trade, because you know why? The RSI is at 33. And if I bought at 75 or the 74 that that's showing right now, is that it shows that the stock still has room to go down. So I just forced a trade, and now I'm causing myself to lose money because I was not patient enough. So patience is the key when you're dealing with investments. Patience is the key. There is always a right time to buy, and there's always a right time to sell. So just an update. I put in a sell order for a majority of my Apple shares, and I put in a good to cancel order for my Take Two Solutions position. So that's just a quick update. I will keep you guys updated, but other than that, take care.